Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to link your YouTube channel to your TikTok account. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. I have a 30-day free trial link in my video description. So click on my video description and you can get the 30-day free trial. And I'll go over more details after I've shown you how to link your YouTube video to your TikTok. Anyways, once you have the app open, go ahead and log in. Once you have logged in, look on the bottom right hand corner. You see this person icon? Click on that, and this will take you to your profile page. Once you're here, click on where it says Edit Profile. All right, and if you see in the bottom where it says YouTube, click on that, and no, click on here where it says Add your YouTube, and it should take you to your YouTube login page. Once you're there, log into your YouTube account. Let's see, and click on next. Actually, okay, sorry. Put in your password. I'll actually log in with a different account. So put the login screen. Let me see, Kahindo podcast. And by the way, I have a podcast that I'm working on. If you want to try it out, just go to YouTube or search for Kahindo podcast, and my podcast is coming up pretty soon. I just haven't had time to really work on it. Okay, so put in your email, click on next, and then enter your password. And then click on next. And this is saying you want to give access to TikTok wants access to your Google account. Click on allow. And there you go. I've added my YouTube. But wait, before I go on, because people might forget this, you see it over here in the upper right hand corner. Make sure you click on save. I know somebody will forget to do that and they'll start complaining. And as you can see, it's been saved. That's how you can add your YouTube account to TikTok. If you have any other questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And by the way, for the Amazon Prime offer, Amazon Prime offers unlimited ad-free access to over 1 million songs for just $99 a year, in addition to other Prime benefits. So that comes down to only about $8.25 a month. That's not too bad. You can instantly stream 440,000 movies and TV episodes with this subscription, and also you can borrow books from the Kindle Owners Lending Library, and you can get unlimited free 2-day shipping with no minimum order size. This is absolutely my favorite offer in this whole package. Like I said, I have a 30-day free trial link in my video description. So if you want to try the Amazon Prime Music benefit for just 30 days with no commitment, click in the link in my video description and you can go ahead and try it. Thank you for watching.